Hollywood looks like a world of glamour, red carpets, and friendships. But behind the cameras, some of the biggest stars have been involved in shocking rivalries that lasted for years. The question is, what really happens behind the scenes? Celebrity feuds are often more complicated than simple arguments. Sometimes they begin with competition, jealousy, contract disputes, or even a single comment taken the wrong way. Some rivalries become public battles, with stars exchanging words through interviews and social media. Others stay hidden for years, revealed only through behind the scenes stories from producers, directors, and industry insiders. In Hollywood, reputation is everything. A small disagreement can become a global headline within hours. Public relations teams often step in, trying to protect careers, control narratives, and keep private conflicts away from the spotlight. But sometimes these conflicts are not just personal. They can involve movie roles, fame, money, and the pressure of staying on top in one of the world's most competitive industries. Behind every famous feud is a story that fans rarely see, a mix of ambition, emotions, and the struggle to survive in Hollywood. Because in the entertainment world, the biggest battles are not always fought on screen. Some happen when the cameras stop rolling. Subscribe to Behind Network for more untold stories behind fame, power, and celebrity secrets.